What do you do when a woman ignores you? Do you throw a tantrum like a spoiled child or act like a man and preserve your dignity? Listen closely. When a woman ignores you and you start to lose it, she'll think she's too good for you. But when you don't let her lure you into that trap, you not only preserve your dignity, but also make her crawl back to you, begging for your attention. But how do you do that? By using reverse psychology to make her regret her decision. Today, we'll reveal how to punish a woman the right way. We'll educate you on ways you can use to your advantage to take control of the situation and maintain your value without losing your self-esteem and confidence. Let's dive in. Don't put her on a pedestal. When a woman you love starts to ignore you, it hurts a lot. But that doesn't mean you should put her on a high-value pedestal. After all, your self-esteem is more important than any woman out there. Because if one woman leaves, another will come, but your self-esteem won't. So, how do you deal with this situation without losing your self-esteem? First, you have to develop a mindset of self-superiority. You have to believe that no one is inherently superior to you. If she ignores you, show it by making it clear that you value your self-esteem above all. You also have qualities and achievements that deserve respect, even if she's blind to see them. Second, send her a message of mutual respect and understanding, demonstrating self-confidence, not insecurity. When you do this, she'll know that you're a confident man who believes in mutual respect. She'll not only be impressed by this, but also come crawling back to you, begging for your attention. The willingness to apologize will be evident. Don't beg for her attention. One of the mind games women use to manipulate men is to ignore them. She'll try to make you beg for her attention by ignoring you in various ways. She may not respond to messages or may not notice your existence in social settings. But you must resist the urge to seek her attention by doing what she wants you to do. If you do, you'll lose your self-esteem because you'll be feeding her ego by giving her what she wants from you. She won't respect you, knowing that you're just a pleaser and attention seeker. Know this. Your small mistake of seeking her attention can backfire and diminish your self-esteem. When you beg for her attention, you're explicitly saying that her validation and attention are more important to you than your self-esteem. So stop begging for her attention and focus on your personal growth and goals. Shift her focus to other important things in life. When you do this, she'll question why you're not easily influenced by her petty mind games. She'll deeply regret her choice, knowing that she messed with the wrong person. Do not show emotional weakness. Listen, if you, as a man, are emotionally weak, you'll be tarnishing the word man. Men are born emotionally, mentally, and physically strong. Women are not as strong as men and think they can make men submit to their desires by ignoring them. Show them that you are not a weak man. If she ignores you, you'll be hurt. But don't let those emotions show on your face, because allowing that will let her emotionally control you. Show emotional strength and resilience. Remain composed and control your emotions before they control you. When emotions control you, they dictate your actions, which can diminish your personality, because women will know that your actions and decisions are emotionally influenced, making it easy for them to manipulate you. But when you are emotionally strong, you won't be dependent on her opinions of you, which will be of great benefit if she ignores you. Because if she can't control you emotionally, she can't influence you. Ignore her existence. This may seem contradictory, but honestly, it works best. It's undeniable that most women seek attention, and when they don't get it, they freak out, becoming obsessed with their appearance and personality. This level of obsession increases even more when she ignores you, and you ignore her back. When you ignore her, it shows that you don't depend on her approval or validation. It also shows that you're not desperate for attention. When you ignore her existence, it creates an air of mystery and intrigue. She will consciously wonder why her actions don't affect you. When you do this, not only do you make her question her decision to ignore you, but you also elevate your self-esteem and dignity. You show with your confident behavior that her negative behavior doesn't affect you. Increase your value. Listen, if you want to perform at a higher level in life, even when she ignores you, here's a quick piece of advice. Increase your value. When women ignore men, 99% freak out, feel alone in the dark, unable to focus on their lives. Pathetic. This small act radically changes their entire lives. If you want to avoid being that kind of guy, invest in yourself and your personal growth. You can do this in several ways, not only to make her regret her decision, but also to attract other women around you. Work on developing your skills. This can be your educational pursuit or professional development. By working on your skills, you add a sense of accomplishment to your life. Additionally, work on your economic and social status. Women are attracted to men with higher status, and when she sees you excelling at a higher level in life, she deeply regrets her decision. Not only that, but you can also work on your emotional intelligence by learning to control your emotions. By working on yourself, you increase your value. This will transform into an aura of appeal and intrigue for others, including those who ignored you. Keep yourself busy with your own interests. When a woman you love decides to ignore you, it's easy to feel lost and helpless. But instead of allowing yourself to be consumed by sadness or frustration, keep yourself busy with your own interests. Dedicate time to activities that bring you joy and satisfaction, whether it's practicing a hobby, learning something new, or getting involved in personal projects. Keeping busy not only helps distract your mind from the situation, but also shows that your happiness doesn't depend on her attention. When she realizes that you're moving forward with your life and finding fulfillment in other areas, she may reconsider her decision to ignore you. Value your friendships and family relationships. In moments when you feel ignored by someone you love, it's crucial to seek support from your friendships and family relationships. These people are by your side regardless of the circumstances and can offer emotional support during difficult times. Additionally, by valuing your friendships and family relationships, you reinforce your sense of self-esteem and belonging, reminding yourself that you are loved and valued by those around you. When you demonstrate that you have a strong support network and are surrounded by people who care about you, it may cause the person ignoring you to rethink their actions and realize the value you possess. Be assertive and set boundaries. When a woman decides to ignore you, it's important that you be assertive in communicating your boundaries and expectations. Don't allow her behavior to affect your self-esteem or emotional well-being. Instead, politely make it clear that you deserve to be treated with consideration and respect. If she chooses to continue ignoring you, be prepared to take the necessary steps to protect your own emotional health, which may include temporarily distancing yourself from the situation until she is willing to address the issue constructively. Cultivate self-confidence. When a woman ignores you, it can be easy to doubt yourself and your qualities. However, it's crucial to cultivate self-confidence and believe in your abilities. Recognize your own virtues and value your achievements, regardless of others' behavior. Remember that your self-esteem should not be determined by another person's attention or approval. By cultivating self-confidence, you become less vulnerable to emotional manipulation and more capable of handling challenging situations resiliently and assertively. Be open to dialogue and reconciliation. While it's important to protect your self-esteem and establish healthy boundaries, it's also essential to be open to dialogue and reconciliation if the person ignoring you is willing to address the issues constructively. Demonstrate willingness to listen and understand her feelings while expressing your own feelings and concerns clearly and respectfully. If both parties are committed to working together to overcome difficulties, it can strengthen the relationship and create a more solid foundation for the future. By the way, if you want to level up in life, like and subscribe to my channel. Stay strong. Until next time.